Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to simulate and design a top-down excavation model in alluvial soils with DeepEX. We will generate the model with the DeepEX Model Wizard. In the first Wizard tab, we will change the beam analysis method to blooms. We will select to apply the German EAB method for soil pressures in all construction stages with supports. In the next tab, we select to generate a top-down excavation model with concrete slabs, and we define the excavation depth to 10 meters and the wall depth to 16 meters. We will also set the water table to -2 meters and select one of the available slab sections. In the following tab, we select to edit the soil properties. In this example, we will use alluvial soils commonly found in northern Italy, as well as parts of France, Germany, and the Netherlands. We edit the soil properties for each soil we intend to use in the model by defining the general soil properties such as the unit weights, the cohesion and friction angle, and we also define the soil behavior and the modulus of elasticity for each soil type. We select to edit the model stratigraphy. We add new soil layers by typing the top soil layer elevation and selecting soil types from the updated soils database. In the following tab, we select to edit the wall section. We change the wall type to a concrete diaphragm and change the wall thickness to 0.8 meters. In the Reinforcement tab, we specify the initial longitudinal and shear reinforcement for our diaphragm wall, and we define the structural materials for the concrete and the reinforcement steel. In the Stages tab, we specify the desired slab center depth for each bracing level, and we can adjust the excavation depth to match each slab base. In this example, we will use a top slab, a base slab, and 2 intermediate slab levels. In the Surcharges tab, we select to add a 20 kilopascal load behind the wall. In the last tab, we select to apply Eurocode 2 and 3 specifications for the structural checks. On the model area, we can access and edit any item. We will edit the position of the right wall. We will delete the last stage, since there is no excavation taking place after the base slab installation in Stage 8. For the top and the intermediate slabs, we will apply a user-defined unbraced length of 5 meters. The program will apply vitrol supports for the LEM analysis, limiting the unbraced lengths for the structural checks of the slabs. For the base slab, we will specify the slab center position to 9.6 meters, and we will apply an 80 centimeters thick slab. For base slabs, we need to include the slab weight to the vertical stress and apply a small unbraced length to simulate the full connection of the slab with the soil. We will add a copy of our model, and we select to apply a load combination. We will select the Eurocode 7 standard and apply the DA1 combination 1. We can rename each design section for easier recognition. We add a copy of our new model, and we change the Eurocode 7 case DA1 combination 2. We add a copy of the new model, and we change the Eurocode 7 case DA2. Finally, we add a copy of our base model which has service conditions and change the analysis method to finite element analysis, selecting to generate a fine FEM mesh. We will rename this design section, and we select to apply for each wall 66% of the soil friction angle as wall friction. We select to analyze all models. For each case, the program will calculate all pressures based on the selected methods, the wall and support stresses and reactions, and perform the structural checks for each wall and support based on the selected Eurocode 2 specifications. The summary table highlights key results. Slabs appear overstressed in the FEM model because virtual supports are not included, so slab supports need more detailed definition in DeepEX. In the DeepEX model area, we can review several results such as the wall moment, shear and pressure diagrams, the support reactions and check ratios, FEM displacement and settlement shadings, and more for each examined construction stage. Double-clicking on any structural item allows us to open an XML file with all structural checks. Book a meeting with our experts and discover how DeepEX can help you better understand complex behavior, reduce risks, and deliver code-compliant designs.